Well, hello everyone. It's Gianni Briaco, the Soul Pilot, with you again. Thank you so much for joining me. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So today we're going to connect with the angels once more and ask for divine guidance as we head into a brand new year. And we're going to ask them to bring us the messages that will help us as we move forward into this new year. So take this time going within yourself, helping yourself feel connected with the guides, with the angels, knowing they're there to help you. Taking a big deep breath. Big sigh of relief. Welcoming in our highest spirit guides and our angels now, knowing they are here to help us and it's safe for us to receive their divine guidance for us at this time. Imagining and visualizing beautiful healing energy all around you, those beautiful angels all around you. And the first message to you today is to commit to a spirit of excellence. They ask you to always, always, always do your absolute best. Give it your all. Every time, every place, every minute, every situation, whatever the circumstances are, go within your heart, go within your soul, take a big deep sigh of relief, big deep breath, and give it your absolute all. You can, and you are, and you will always be the presence of divine love and divine light in this world, and you have within you everything you need to be that presence of divine love and divine light, anywhere and everywhere. The more you do this, the more you allow this, allow the highest self, your highest self, to be present, you are committing to that service of excellence. Mother, Father, God, and the angels, thank you for all you do and all you continue to do and all you will do. They are right there with you. They will help you to always be that presence of divine love and divine light. The more you do this, the more you will see that in others, that divine love and the divine light in others. You will see more of them, more of that action of love and light all around you. And rest assured, you're helping to bring that out by being that presence of a divine love and divine light yourself. So keep that promise to yourself and to the divine, and be of service, loving and light-filled service. Breathing that message in and recognizing that you are a beautiful being of love and light, and you are of service. You always have been and you always will be. And once again, the Mother, Father, God, and the angels, thank you for that. They ask you to reflect on who you are and what you've already done. As you start this brand new year, know that you are and you always will be of service to this world. You do matter. Mother, Father, God, and the angels know what you do. They know what you will do. You will be rewarded greatly. And they will continue to give you everything you need to do everything you came here to do. The next message your guides and angels have for you is to acknowledge God's truth. Acknowledge Mother, Father, God is one with you, here and now, today, tomorrow, and always. We are one, we are all connected, we are all in this together. We are all collectively the presence of divine love and divine light. There is no separation, there is only unity. Accepting this, acknowledging this, being grateful for being the presence of divine love and divine light here in this world. Knowing your responsibility, accepting your responsibility, knowing you can do this, you are doing this, and you will continue to do this. Mother, Father, God, and the angels will continue to guide you and bring you everything you need and remind you you have everything you need within you to do everything you came here to do. Mother, Father, God supports you. Mother Nature supports you. All of creation supports you. Breathing that truth into the core of our being. Just resting in that truth. And our next message for you is to continue to shine your light brightly today, tomorrow, and every day, just like you always have. And they assure you that you have, again, everything you need to do that. You are divine love. You are divine light. Mother, Father, God is one with you. You have this light. You are this light, and you can shine this light freely. No matter what's happened to you, no matter what. Acknowledge the truth and accept the truth. You are divine love and you are divine light, and it is safe for you to continue to shine this love and shine this light. It is within you. It is you. And you're helping to lift up this entire world by all your work, by all your service, by all your love, by all your light. And the more you do this, you help to lift yourself up in this entire world, and it will be reflected back to you, and you will see more of that love and more of that light all around you. You are a star. You are the sun. It is one with you. Recognize the light that you are. And through your love and through your light, you truly can do anything. You can lift the darkness. You can bring light to any and all situations. And when you can't see that light, recognize that you are that light. And you bring your light everywhere. And again, Mother, Father, God, and the angels and all creation, thank you for being that love and being that light. Accepting that beautiful message. Our next message is to let love lead the way. Always ask yourself, what would love do? Follow that guidance. Love will always lead you forward and upward and onward. It will bring you everything you need. It will guide you. It will energize you. It will motivate you. It will inspire you and others. Continue to let love lead the way. Let your light body, your spirit body, your love lead the way. Stand in your unwavering spiritual authority, in your love and in your light, and know that nothing and no one can dim that. It can only help you to reveal even more of that love and light within you. All the love and light that you are. And the final message for you is every day for the rest of this year and the rest of your life to speak words of love. To speak lovingly, to think lovingly about yourself, about others. Speak the truth. Speak highly of yourself. Speak highly of others. Look for the good in yourself and the good for others. And know that you're making a positive difference. Recognize the power of your words. By using loving words, you are helping this entire world. You're helping yourself and everyone. Think words of love and speak words of love and act through love. Thank you, Mother, Father, God, and the angels for all these divine messages, bringing all those beautiful healing energies back to our mental, emotional, physical body, coming back to this time, back to this place, feeling love and filled.